Dear students, we have completed the first part of second lesson, the lost spring. Now we will going to read the second story that is also related to the pitiable condition of poor children, poor people. In the first story, the poor people related to rag picking, Simapuri and Delhi. In this part, we will know about the poor people and their condition in Firozabad. Now, listen the text carefully.
I want to drive a car. Mukesh insists on being his own master. I will be a motor mechanic, he announces. Mukesh, a poor child, express, expresses his desire to be a motor mechanic. Do you know anything about cars? I ask. Writer asks him if he knows anything about cars, if he has knowledge about the car driving. I will learn to drive a car, he answers, looking straight into my eyes. So looking straight into writer eyes, Mukesh replies that he will learn to drive a car. It is his dream to drive a car, to be a motor mechanic, to be his own master. It is his dreams. But writer says that his dream looms like a mirage amidst the dust of streets that fill his town, Firozabad, famous for its bangles. Word looms, his dream looms. Looms means become dim, इसे धुंधला दिखाई देना. Like a mirage, मिरेज एमिड्स के बीच मध्य, मिरेज जैसे मृग मरीचिका जिसको कहते हैं, रेगिस्तान में पानी का केवल आभास होता है और वहाँ पर जाने पर वास्तव में कोई पानी नहीं होता है, मृग मरीचिका का के जैसा. तो उसका जो ये सपना है ठीक उसी तरह से है जिस तरह से मृग मरीचिका में पानी का आभास होना. डस्ट ऑफ स्ट्रीट्स दैट फील हिज टाउन फिरोजाबाद. और फिरोजाबाद फॉर इट्स बेंगल, तो फिरोजाबाद जो अपने चूड़ियों के लिए जाना जाता है, चूड़ियों के लिए प्रसिद्ध है. एवरी अदर फैमिली इन फिरोजाबाद इज इंगेज्ड इन मेकिंग बेंगल्स. इट इज द सेंटर ऑफ इंडियाज ग्लास ब्लोइंग इंडस्ट्री. इट इज फिरोजाबाद, तो फिरोजाबाद इज द सेंटर ऑफ इंडियाज ग्लास ब्लोइंग इंडस्ट्री, where families have been spent generations working around furnaces, welding glass, making bangles for all the women in the land, it seems. It is the center, Firozabad is the center of India's glass blowing industry, and the poor people of Firozabad have spent their generations in making bangles. Mukesh family is among them. Mukesh family is among them. Mukesh is also belongs to those poor family who are engaged in making bangles. None of them know that it is illegal for children like him to work in the glass furnaces with high temperatures. in dingy cells without air and light. Word dingy. So dingy cells full of smell, black dark cells without air and light, that the law, if enforced, could get him and all those 20,000 children out of the hot furnaces where they slog their daylight hours. Slog, a period of long hard boring work, a period of long hard boring work, often losing their brightness of their eyes. In this line, it is said that though it is illegal for the children to engage them in such a work, and there is law also, but here no law is imposed, and those poor children are forced to spend their childhood around the furnaces, around the furnaces, and they lose their brightness of eyes. Mukesh eyes beam as he volunteers to take me home. Once writer says that Mukesh willingly tries to took her to his house, which he proudly says is being rebuilt. We walk down stinking lanes. Word stink. So stinking means bad smells. Bad smell lanes choked, blocked with garbage. Past homes that remain hovels with crumbling walls, ugly doors, no windows, crowded with families of humans and animals coexisting in the primal state. Primal state as a primitive age, आदिकाल का समय. Writer passed through a lane, street, which was filled with garbage and dirty water, and it was also filled with a bad smell, and hovels, slums. It was the slum. क्रम्बलिंग वॉल, ब्रेकिंग वॉल्स, जो दीवारें थी वो टूटी हुई थी. ओब्लिज डोर, जो दरवाजे थे वो भी टूटे हुए थे, आधे लगे हुए थे. नो विंडोज, उन घरों में कोई खिड़कियां नहीं थी. क्राउडेड विद फैमिलीज ऑफ ह्यूमन्स एंड एनिमल्स को एग्जिस्टिंग ए प्राइवल स्टेट. उस घर का, उस जगह का दृश्य इस तरह से था कि आदमी और जानवर बिल्कुल एक साथ रह रहे थे, जैसे आदि समय में रहते थे, किंतु वो पूरी तरह से गंदी मलिन बस्ती थी जिसमें ये लोग उस तरह से वातावरण में रहने के लिए विवश थे. इस पैराग्राफ को देखने के बाद हम किसी भी स्लम का एक पिक्चर, तस्वीर अपने दिमाग में सेट कर सकते हैं जब हम देखते हैं उस लोगों को. He stops at the door of one such house, probably iron door with his foot, and pushes it open. After that, Mukesh reached his house and opened the door with a kick of his foot. We enter a half-built shack. In one part of it, thatched with dead grass, it is firewood stove over which sits a large vessel of sizzling spinach leaves. राइटर बताती है कि जब वो उसके घर पहुंचते हैं तो वहाँ पर चूल्हे पर पालक जो है एक बड़े बर्तन में रखी गई थी। On the ground in large aluminium platters more than chopped vegetable, काटी गई सब्जी रखी गई थी। A frail young woman is cooking evening meal for the whole family. frail माने weak, कमजोर, पूरे परिवार के लिए शाम का भोजन बना रही थी। Through eyes filled with smoke and smiles, उसकी आंखें जो हैं धुएं और से भरी हुई थी। सी स्माइल्स, वो मुस्कुराती है, उसको देख करके खुश होती है। सी इज द वाइफ ऑफ मुकेश एल्डर ब्रदर, नॉट मच ओल्डर इन ईयर्स, सी हैज बीन began to command respect as the bahu, the daughter-in-law in the house, already in charge of 3 men, her husband, Mukesh, and their father. When the older man enters, she gently withdraws behind the broken wall and brings her veil closer to her face. This line also gives a tradition, a custom. When a male elder enters in the house, the daughter-in-law takes her veil closer to face. As a custom demands, daughter-in-law must veil their face before male elders. In this case, the elders is an impoverished bangle maker, very poor, impoverished, very poor. Despite long years of hard labor, first as tailor, then a bangle maker, he has failed to renovate a house, send his 2 sons to school. In this line, the writer shows his hard work and also the result of his work. Though he was a hard working person, he hard labor, first as a tailor, then as the bangle maker, but he has failed to repair his house and he is unable to send to school his 2 sons. All he has managed to do to teach them what he knows, the art of making bangles. वो आदमी जो था वो केवल अपने बच्चों को बस इतना बात सिखा पाया था, आर्ट ऑफ मेकिंग बैंगल्स, चूड़ियाँ बनाने की जो कला थी वो सिखा पाया, कभी स्कूल नहीं भेज पाया।